Hello everybody, my name's John and welcome to our channel. Please look at the aftermath of the big 15-meter down jump. These are all of the parts that are left that are usable. Before I get into this, I just want to quickly get something off my chest. There are a few people that were quite rude concerning the last video, or the second to last video of us jumping off the roof. As I explained on the comments and in the description, this is a promise that I had with my son. But what you guys don't know is how we come to the conclusion on the videos that we do. We have very little money, so we have to get the most value out. So jumping off a roof probably doesn't sound like the most logical thing to do. But if you include all the bits that were broken, that cost us about 20 euros. Now that will in fact create 3 videos, which is incredibly good value for this channel here. Okay, so I will move on from that now and we will get into all of the bits here. And all I have to say is, oh my God, I cannot believe the price of spare parts for these cars. It is absolutely out of control. Okay, everything's been washed, everything's been checked to make sure it works fine, which it does, and that there's nothing that's sort of bent out of shape, etc, etc. You did see on my last video that I did bend a few things back into shape, but they are usable, that's why they're here. The drive shaft isn't here, the motor isn't here. The reason being that it won't even turn. I actually saw inside it's completely smashed up, it is completely ruined, so that wasn't savable, so I was right to stop the last video. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go through everything that I've got listed here. Wheels and tyres, you've got £7, £12, £6, £22. Rear wing mounts are a shocking £5.99. The actual shell and the wing is £6.21. Front bumper, £4.99, that includes this little thing at the end. £4.03 for a motor mount. Diff cases, £4.58 for 2. Diffs, £9.20 for 2, that's everything, including the bearings and everything. This casing is for where the motor is, to cover up the gears there, £3.42. All the swing arms there are £6.99. These little side skirts along by the side of the car, £7.99 for those, shocking. What's actually quite interesting, a few of the accessories that add on, like the ball joints and the little sleeves, can be quite expensive, but you know. All of these bits here, £4.50, £5.99, and the little sleeves that go in are £2.40. These are the front drive shafts, which is £6.63, £2.36 for the rears. This tiny little thing, what the hell is going on with the world? This is the thing that you push down on the bearing that goes on the centre drive shaft, £8.99 for that. One of the most expensive parts, absolutely bonkers. All of these prices here, by the way, were taken last night on eBay, and it was listed as I did the option to do the lowest possible price. So the prices may go up or down from this point. Please do not hold that against me. Rear wheel cups, $3.22. Now the steering set is really actually quite complicated. You've got the column, you've got the bearings, you've got the ball joints, you've got everything. But I found a set for $15.99, so I went, done. Okay. Motor gear, $2.97, not damaged at all. Managed to get it off without damaging it as well. John's learning. The wheel hub set, obviously this one on the other side snapped, broke, but as you can get the whole set here that you can see here for $3.82, you just have to include that one as well. The shocking part is the ball joints that go in it, $8.99 for those. What the hell? Wheel bearing set, $9.98. These pins are what go in either end of the swing arms, $4.25 and $3.99 for the 4 each. Where are we? Here we go, shocks. $10.43 for 4. These little plastic things here, $3.40 for 4. What? What's going on? And again, this one is absolutely shocking. These 2 lovely metal mount things, absolutely brilliantly made, $4.57. The tiny little boy joints that go in, $9.27. Seriously. Anyway, battery partition assembly, $4.99. These little bits here, couldn't find them because obviously they come as part of the central drive shaft. But as the central drive shaft was not usable, I have not included those in the price. So 5 bearings and the center one there. And this little steering rod part here is $4.99, and all of the tie rods, etc., $6.80. Now, that's those parts that come off the car, but we can't forget that there are some other parts as well, which are the transmitter, battery, charger, servo mount, and ESC. So the transmitter is $10.99, battery $13.04, charger $4.56, servo $5.99, servo mount $4.99, Jesus, and the ESC $9.16. Obviously, all the parts that you buy on eBay should be new. However, things like this I've noticed are not new. Things like the ESC are not new. Now, one other thing that I wanted to point out was all of these here, all of these screws and things that just seem so innocent and not very expensive at all. However, ladies and gentlemen, add them all up, and that includes sort of the little sleeves that go on the steering joints and whatnot, £39.06. So, do any of you want to guess how much all of these parts cost? And remember, this does not include the broken parts that were broken on the car that I haven't included here. You won't believe this, seriously. £293.10. $379, 323 euros. Or roughly, that equates to 4 new cars. Completely new cars. With everything. Brand new. That's how bonkers the parts market is right now. I can't believe it. I'm absolutely blown away at that. So you can see why people are buying brand new cars and stripping them down. Why the hell not? So if you think that this is absolutely shocking, which I think you will, because I couldn't believe it, then please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, please. And I will see you on the next video. Have a great day today, everybody. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.